dito ang concert ni Taylor Swift. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga tao, nagcamping na sila. Oh, hanggang dyan yan yung entrance. Wala doon, hanggang doon.
Mama, look, there's one.
Oh.
Wait.
Grabe ang dami ng tao doon. Oh, nag-camping na sila. Doon na sila natulog. Ayan oh, yung mga tao. Kanahapon pa nang nandyan. Tapos dyan siya magko-concert. Open concert yan. Ang daming tao. Nag-fireworks dito. May harang na dito. Nilagyan nila ng harang. Kaya hanggang dyan lang kabilang banda yung mga tao. Madami ding tao, mga 30k. Oh. Ang daming tao dito kahapon.
Why is it always in Olympia?
Ayun oh. Madaming tao kahapon dyan. As in full pa. Tapos doon pa. Tapos next week dito rin may gaganapin din dito ulit. Yung bicycle, scooter. Nagkalat lang ang mga bicycle dito oh. Nakalat nila. Wala nang tao ngayon. Kahapon sobrang dami.
Why did they do this?
Because there was too much people yesterday. Too much. Punong-puno to yesterday. Now again. Look, here was full of people. Now they are starting until their top. There was a lot of people. Okay, let's go. Should we do picnic out?
We don't have picnic mat.
I have.
Let's go down. No.
I have a picnic mat.
No.
Can we? Oh, here we can see it from here.
No, Mama, there.
Next week there's another event again here.
Billie Eilish.
That one here last year when we went here, there was something here, scooter, a car race. Here,
Scooter race.
here or they're down. They're down here. Yeah.
There was bicycle. There. We were with Papa and like.
Ayaw ng Costilos. Hindi magbayad ka. You are so reclamador, Ramadan. Saan na yung